Welcome to GigShield Phase 3. Today I will show you how we have made gig worker insurance smarter, faster and fraud resistant. We have added advanced fraud detection with GPS, weather and frequency checks, instant simulated payouts via multiple gateways, worker and admin dashboards, manual review workflow and an explainable timeline for every claim. Let me show you everything in action. First, let's look at the worker dashboard. We are logged in as Lakshmikant, a delivery boy in Mumbai. His dashboard shows total protected earnings $0, no approved claims yet, weekly active coverages is 0, and claim history is 0, and fraud flags are 5, already flagged for GPS weather mismatch and high frequency signals. The system is already watching for suspicious behavior before any payout happens. Now, Lakshmikant has an active policy which is named as All Risk Weather Plus, which weekly premium covers up to $66 and coverage cap is $990 and the status is active. The weekly coverage active is added in the dashboard. He can also purchase additional policies from the policy portfolio Urban Mobility Guard, for which the coverage is $700 to $770 and the premium is $55.2 to $57.96. Coverage of Weather Shield basic policy is $500 to $550 and the premium is $44.16 to $46.37. Premium changes dynamically based on live weather. Right now, it's clear skies, 23 degrees centigrade, so premiums are lower. Here is a unique feature, automated policy adjustment. When a traffic disruption forecast is detected, the system automatically adjusts active policies like All Risk Worker Plus, which coverage increases from $1197.2 to $1317, and the premium increases from $76 to $80. The reason for the increase is temperature plus 10% of commute income coverage. The worker gets more protection exactly when risks are higher without lifting a finger. Now let's raise a claim and test our fraud detection. Lakshmikant goes to Claims Operations and fills out the form. Selects a policy as Urban Mobility Guard and disruption type as weather disruption, and claims disruption is stated as heavy rain, and the amount entered is, let's suppose, $200, and the gateway selected is UPS simulator, and the claimed weather is due to heavy rain, and the reported longitude is at 4 and 5, and the delivery route is 2 and 3. Let's submit the claim. The claim is rejected. Reported location is far from actual delivery route. This creates a mismatch. Exactly what our fraud detection looks for. The system processes the claim in seconds. The claim history shows that claim ID is for heavy rain. The amount is $199. The status is rejected. The payout is not started in the game. The fraud score was 84 out of 100, which is very high. That's the reason the claim was rejected. The claim was rejected during a manual review because weather mismatch triggered a signal. Here, the live weather intelligence states that the condition is clear, but how Lakshmikant mentioned that there happens a heavy rain. The system does just auto reject. It flags suspicious claims for a human review. Here is our best feature, the explainable timeline. 17 for 2026, 2036, the claim was submitted. Worker submitted claim request, and at 2036, 23, the fraud score was calculated as 84 out of 100 because GPS mismatch detected. Reported location deviates by 314.28 kilometers from the delivery route. That's why the GPS got mismatched, and also the weather got mismatched during, because the claimed stated that there is a heavy rain but observed as a clear, and that the mismatch in weather and GPS caused to in rejection of the claim. And the initial decision generated is fraud check failed because high confidence mismatch across signals, and also payment gateway selected for the UPI simulator. No black box. Workers and admins see exactly why a claim was accepted or rejected. Moving down, we have two dashboards, workers and admin dashboard. In the workers dashboard, we can see that the coverage earnings protected was $100 and weekly coverage is $3,901. Approval ratio is 33%. And when we come for our admin dashboard, loss ratio is 0.27 and frauds detected was number of frauds detected are 7, and the expected next week 16 predicted claims, and expected next week is 16. Claim trend heat bars for week 1 it's 0 and week 2, week 3 0. For week 4 we have 14 claims, and for week 5 we have 3 claims, and for week 6 we have 10 claims. Admin can spot patterns, a spike in a week 4 now returning to normal. How a manual review workflow. When a claim goes to pending status, admins can take action from the dashboard. Approve, status change it to approved, payout starts automatically, settles via selected gate. If the admin clicks on reject, status change it to reject, and payout remains not started. The timeline captures every review decision, full audit trail. Now, what is a good case versus bad case? I will give a quick summary. The good case is GPS matches route, weather matches live data, normal claim frequency, which will result in low fraud risk and auto approved, instant payout will be given. In a bad case A, if a GPS mismatch, that means reported location far from route, the result will be medium or high risk, which causes in pending or rejection of the claim. When coming to bad case number 2, that is weather mismatch, claims has a heavy rain but live stays clear, the result will be weather signal triggered and a score increases, and pending or rejection of the claim will be proceeded. Coming to the gateway simulation check, for approved claims, payouts work seamlessly across Razorpay test mode, Stripe sandbox, UPI simulator. Each generates transaction reference, gateway, specific success message, status as a processing or paid. To summarize phase 3, we have included a fraud detection based on GPS, weather and frequency checks with scoring, and instant payouts with a simulated gateway flow, dual dashboards for workers and admin views, manual reviews for the admins to approve or reject the claims, and the explainable timeline, full transparency per claim. GigShield is now smarter, faster and more trustworthy for everyone. Thank you.